Meet Leo. Leo loves his video game. Click, click, click. He plays all day long. Look at Leo. He wears big black headphones. He does not see the busy airport or the people walking by. Leo only looks down at his screen. Today is a very special day. Leo and his family are going on a big trip. Look at Dad. Dad is carrying a very tall tower of bags. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. Oh no, be careful, Dad. Look at Leo's little sister, Maya. She is so happy. She jumps high in the air. But Leo is not happy. He crosses his arms and frowns. He only wants to play his digital game. Zoom! The big airplane flies high up into the sky. Goodbye, home. The airplane flies straight through the dark gray clouds. Where are they going? Let's find out together. Welcome to Brazil. Leo steps outside the airport. Wow, it is very, very hot. The sun is bright in the blue sky. Leo puts his hand on his forehead. He squints his eyes. For the first time, he takes his headphones off. The world is very loud and warm here. The family gets into a bright yellow taxi. The friendly driver smiles and waves. Look out the window. The houses on the hill are so colorful. There is pink, blue, green, and yellow. Look at Leo. He is looking out the window. He is not looking at his screen. He is looking at the beautiful city. Look up, 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 up. On the high mountain stands a giant statue. It is Christ the Redeemer. The statue opens its long stone arms wide over the blue ocean. The family stands on the bridge. They look so small. Wow, says Maya, it is beautiful. Whoosh! The wind blows very hard on top of the mountain. Oh no, the wind blows Leo's blue hat right off his head. Leo reaches out his arm. Stop, my hat, he cries. But look, a friendly local boy is standing nearby. He has a soccer ball. He kicks his foot up high. Pop! He catches Leo's hat perfectly on his bare foot. He smiles a big friendly smile. He wears a green and yellow jersey. Leo is amazed. He forgets all about his video game. Next, the family travels deep into the green jungle. They walk across a wooden bridge to get on a big riverboat. The boat is named the Amazon Explorer. Dad wears a brown safari hat. The jungle air is warm and misty. Leo stands on the deck and looks at the wide brown river. Suddenly, the sky turns dark gray. Splash, splash, splash. Heavy tropical rain begins to fall. Everything is wet. Then a loud sound comes from the back of the boat. Sputter, sputter, cough. Dark black smoke comes out of the engine. The engine stops working. Oh no, the boat is stuck in the middle of the river. Mom holds Maya tightly. They are scared. Leo looks at the smoke. He feels worried. But the jungle is full of beautiful magic. Look at the water. A rare, bright pink dolphin pops its head out of the river. It looks right at the children. Maya points and laughs. Leo pulls his headphones all the way down to his neck. His mouth opens wide in surprise. He smiles a real smile. Look up at the sky. A big family of colorful birds flies over the green trees. They are scarlet macaws. They look like a beautiful flying rainbow. Leo sits quietly on the boat. Where is his video game? It is deep inside his backpack. Today, Leo holds a white sketchbook and a pencil. He watches the beautiful red birds sit on the wooden rail. He draws them carefully on the paper. Leo is not just looking down at a screen anymore. He is creating beautiful art. Now, the family visits the biggest waterfalls in the world, Iguazu Falls. The heavy water rushes down the mossy cliffs with a giant roar. Roar! Look closely at the water mist. There is a magnificent double rainbow in the sky. Dad lifts up his big camera to take a photo, but oh no, the camera screen shows a flashing red light. The battery is dead. Dad looks so sad, his shoulders drop. But Mom just smiles. She knows you do not need a camera to enjoy a beautiful moment. The family stands close together on the wet bridge. The cool water mist splashes their faces. They do not have a working camera and they do not have video games, but they have each other. Everyone laughs and hugs tightly. They are so happy. At night, the village has a big, joyful festival. Look at all the glowing paper lanterns in the street. There is red, green, blue, and yellow. Light is everywhere. Mom and Dad hold hands and spin around. Maya jumps and dances. Leo holds his sister's hand and dances too. Look at Leo now. He stands in front of a big wooden drum. His headphones are around his neck. He closes his eyes and hits the drum skin with his hands. Boom, thud, boom. He feels the loud, organic rhythm in his heart. Everyone claps along to Leo's music. The vacation is over and the family is back at the airport terminal. The sun is setting, painting the sky in warm orange and gold. Leo sits on his suitcase, but look, he is wearing the bright yellow Brazil football jersey. He holds his sketchbook open and proudly shows it to his drawing. Maya smiles a big smile at her big brother. Leo has a new shirt, a new notebook, and a giant smile. He is so glad he stopped looking down because he finally discovered the beautiful real world outside. The end.